Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I will be showing how you can make over 5,000 naira daily with Jumia affiliate only with your smartphone. And before I continue, if you are new to this channel, my name is Wali Lukman Motayo. On this channel I share videos on how you can make money online. If that's what you are looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop video. So let's continue. This is the Jumia affiliate website. It is called kol.jumia.com. As you can see, Jumia KOL program. If you are a content creator, influencer, or affiliate, join us to earn commission. You don't have to be a content creator or influencer or any. You don't have to have big followings before you can do what I'm about to show you. So let's just go through the website. As you can see, who can register? Micro influencer or creator, mega influencer, affiliate, those that have website or social media page, because you'll be using your Facebook page, your Facebook account for this affiliate marketing. So how does it work? Yeah, you register, and after you register as an affiliate marketing and as affiliate marketer, you let's see register, start working immediately if you are affiliate, or receive approval within a week if you are a content creator. You advertise the product on Jumia website, and you get paid commission. So let me show you the product. Although you don't know Jumia marketplace, there are a lot of products you can promote there. So let's check. Let me log into this my website. So a minute. Now I'm inside my account, and this my account. I don't use it like that. So but as you can see, I've already make some money um from Jumia affiliate marketing program. So let me show you. You click this button and you click on advertising. You choose offers, Jumia e-commerce, and you choose your country. But before I continue, let me go to as you can see, we have um different offers. Let's check the phones one. So before I continue, let me go to Jumia marketplace. I mean, so I'm on the Jumia marketplace. So and I choose phones over there. So let me go to the phone section here, and let's choose one out of those phones we have to promote. Let's say we have to promote this Pop 7 Pro. All you have to do is click on it. Let it load up. Just a minute. So now we have um the um the store already open. So 69,990 naira, which is 70,000, and it is free delivery. So all you have to do is copy the link of the page, the store page. I've already copied the link. You go back to your uh website, affiliate dashboard. So as you can see, all you have to do is put the uh the okay, I did mistake here, so let me go back. So it's you choose custom links, then choose Jumia e-commerce. Although if you have this one, if you have a product you want to promote, like that particular product alone, so you choose that custom link, and after that you input the web URL, the one we copy earlier. So you paste it here, then you go down. Okay, as you can see, it already generates your own affiliate link, your customized advertising link. So you can just copy this one and just share it to the person that want to buy the phone, and you will get paid your commission after the person have already buy the phone. So Now I've already copied this one. How are we going to set this product? Now we'll be using Facebook as our social media platform. So now we are my Facebook account. So we'll be going to marketplace. This icon that resemble house, this is where the marketplace is. So all you have to do is, okay, let's search for phones. What do I want to buy? Phones. So as you can see, there are different phones that are listed on this marketplace. All you have to do is also to list that same phone on the marketplace. So if I click this one now, it will tell me to send message to the seller. So after that, okay, when I click, is this available? So hold on. So my message has been sent. If the seller is online to reply me, so all you have to do is just to create the same thing. Just create your price, which is 96,990 naira. You put the description, you put the photo that you done from Jumia, and you publish it. So if the person that wants to buy, like I say, I've already messaged, is this available? So reply yes, and you let the person know that the person will be shipping it from Jumia. You send the person the link to the Jumia page, the one you generated. And after that, if the person can't buy online, you can help the person and order it, and you collect the address of that person, and you can even give, because there is an offer on Jumia that make them pay on delivery, so they don't have to be afraid, they can also pay on delivery. So just help them to order it and choose pay on delivery. So when they receive the phone, they pay, and you get your own commission. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and also like this video for more.